check it out. Like vibrators, right?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Harder, honey, harder! I'm gonna climax like I'm 52 again! Ah! 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 Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, you're my daddy! You're my daddy! Ow! 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 Oh!
Oh, 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 oh. Damn, bitch, that was awful.
What?
Man, you've been squawking all night. I mean, and also, son of a bitch, you let yourself go. This ain't working out. Get the fuck out of here. And give me my panties back. Yeah, that's right, my panties. Disgusting. Well, yeah, I should probably really brush my teeth now.